Hello, lions. Are you ready for your math? Today we are learning about the big money. We have finally made it to the dollar. Yay! So we're going to learn about the dollar with the dollar book. Here's our rhyme. 100 pennies makes a dollar. When I find one, I want to holler. Have you ever found a dollar on the street or in your coat pocket? Makes me so happy, I want to holler. So that's why we want to holler when we find a dollar. Ready? Let's say it again. 100 pennies makes a dollar. When I find one, I want to holler. And here we have a picture of a $1 bill. Whose picture is this, boys and girls? You should know. It's the same president that's on the quarter. It's written right here. Washington. It is George Washington. He's on the $1 bill. Maybe because he was our number one president. He was the first president. And we have one. So it's a $1 bill. And it's even written out $1. All right. My friends, have you ever seen a silver dollar? They are not really common. This is a picture of a silver dollar. A silver dollar is our biggest coin, and on the front is another president, Dwight Eisenhower. Dwight Eisenhower was president probably about 70, 80 years ago now, and he was a very good president. He was also a soldier and a general in the army, and he was married to a lady named Mamie, and they had one daughter. So here's his picture in profile. On the silver dollar, it says, "Liberty, in God we trust." The year this was made is 1972. Then on the back, we have an eagle. Where is that eagle? It is landing on the moon. The back of the silver dollar commemorates when the United States sent astronauts who landed on the moon. So here is Earth. And then here's the moon, and the eagle is landing on the moon. It says United States of America, $1. Could a bald eagle really land on the moon? No, they can't fly that far. And also there's no air on the moon. That's why astronauts have to wear these cool spacesuits here. Okay. This is another kind of dollar. I remember someone in my class saying that they had a silver dollar. I can't remember who it was now. But this is a picture of a silver dollar. Silver. Listen to me, y'all. Gold dollar. Gold. And on the front is Sacagawea. Remember the nickel and how it tells the story of Lewis and Clark? All right, so Sacagawea was the young woman who took Lewis and Clark across the country. She was their guide. She showed them the way to go. And she went the whole way with her baby on her back. So this is her sweet little baby. This is not a real photograph of Sacagawea. She lived before there were cameras. But it gives you an idea of what Sacagawea might have really looked like. And here's a baby on the back of it. On the back of the gold dollar, this one has an eagle again. United States of America, $1. The bald eagle, our national bird. Wow, look at this. How many nickels does it take to make $1? Actually, let's start with the pennies. Our rhyme told us how many pennies it takes to make $1. 100 pennies. This is a picture of 100 pennies. You would have to have this many pennies in your pocket to have $1. That's why they make dollar bills, because it weighs a lot to carry all these coins around. They're too heavy to carry around every time you want to spend $1. So they made paper money, which doesn't weigh as much. Here's 100 pennies making $1. How many nickels make $1? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, 20 nickels makes $1. 20 nickels is the same value as 100 pennies. Only you would count these by fives. Let's practice our counting by fives. Ready? Do it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And how about the dime? How many dimes make $1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dimes make $1. A dime is worth 10 cents. So let's count by tens to find out the value of these dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But look, how many quarters make $1? It just takes 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 and 25 and 25 and 25 is 100. $1. 4 quarters is the same as 100 pennies, is the same as 20 nickels, is the same value as 10 dimes. Okay? Let's look at some paper money now. Let's flip this over. Here we have a great picture again of the $1 bill with George Washington, 111. Then we have a $5 bill. 5 $1 bills equals 1 $5 bill. The $5 bill has who on it? The same president that's on the penny, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is on the $5 bill. This is a, what number? $10 bill. Who is on the $10 bill? Alexander Hamilton. He was the first treasurer of the United States. You could say he was like our nation's first banker. Who was on the $20 bill? Andrew Jackson. He was another president. But here's the big money, boys and girls. $100 bill. Who's on this? Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. He was the inventor of the lightning rod and many, many other things. He also was a great, great citizen who helped our country a lot. Benjamin Franklin is on the $100 bill. Okay. Now let's see if I have any of these coins and bills that I can show you. So boys and girls, this is a real silver dollar. It is, look how big it is. It is a really big coin. And you can see right on the front, Dwight Eisenhower, Liberty, In God We Trust. And this one was made in 1971. I was only a little girl when this was made. On the back, just like it showed in our book, here's the eagle landing on the moon. Look at that. United States of America. It's a really pretty coin and also very, very big and heavy. But now we have new dollar coins. Remember I said there was the dollar coin with Sacagawea on it? Well, I have one of those right here. Here's a dollar coin with Sacagawea. It's a gold one. Here's her baby. Now you find these sometimes. I know I've gotten them for change at the MARTA station. Sacagawea and her baby. And on the back, once again, the bald eagle. But boys and girls, did you know there is more than one type of gold dollar? The Sacagawea dollar was the first gold dollar that was made. Now they're making them also with pictures of the presidents on them. So I have some of those to show you. This is one with Andrew Jackson on it. Andrew Jackson, the same president that is on the $20 bill. And then on the back, what do we have? The Statue of Liberty. I think this is really pretty. And it says $1 right here. Lady Liberty. All right. Andrew Jackson, 7th president, and it tells the years he was president. Okay. All right. Here is Millard Fillmore. He's a president you don't hear much about. Says he was the, oh, I can't read what president he was. Oh, it doesn't say what president he was. He says, in God we trust. Oh, 11th president. He was the 11th president of the United States. Statue of Liberty on the back again. This one, this is another president we know, Thomas Jefferson. What piece of money is he on? The nickel. He is the 3rd president of the United States. And then we also have, who's this? John Quincy Adams. Not only was he a president, but his father was a president. It says he was our 6th president of the United States. There we go. Boy, it would be fun to collect all of those, wouldn't it? And also, you would be very rich once you collected them because each one is worth $1. Right? And of course, we have our paper dollar right here with George Washington on it. Hello. And then on the back, it says 1. There's a very strange pyramid here, a pyramid with the eye on the top, and again, the bald eagle. You've all seen a $1 bill, but have you seen a $2 bill? Here's old Thomas Jefferson again. It's hard to find these bills. $2, $2. They made these, but they were not very popular, and so there are not a lot of them. And here we have them signing the Declaration of Independence, I believe, on the back of this. United States of America, Thomas Jefferson, Benjamin Franklin. Remember him on the $100 bill? I believe John Hancock. A lot of famous Americans on the back of that one. All right. So here are some dollars for you to check out. Now let's go on to our work. You are going to have so much fun with this, my friends. It is called the Make Me Rich Money Cutout Worksheet. This is so fun. All you're going to have to do is cut out the money. Then you can play with it. All right? I want you to try and add up the money. You can pretend like you're buying things with it. Look, and it shows money from the front and the back. The dime's on the back. This is the back of the quarter. This is the front of the nickel, the back of a penny, the back of a nickel, the front of a penny, the front of a dime, the front of a quarter. Here we have a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $20 bill. Is this real money, boys and girls? No. No, and it's fine to cut out and play with it. You might want to paste the front and the back together with your glue stick to make it look more real. But this is what we're going to do today. I want you to cut it out, have fun with it, and try and remember how much each is worth. Okay? Have a great day, guys, and thank you for watching our math lesson today. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.